In this video, we are using congruent markings and statements. Number 1, suppose triangle BRT is congruent to triangle SKU. Complete the triangle congruent sentences. The first letter on the left side and the first letter on the right side are congruent. The letter in the middle on the left side and the letter in the middle on the right side are congruent. The last letter on the left side and the last letter on the right side are congruent. So, angle R is green. The other green letter is angle K. So angle R is congruent to angle K. Letter B, segment SK. SK is yellow and green. BR is also yellow and green. So segment SK is congruent to segment BR. Angle U is blue. Angle T is also blue. So angle U is congruent to angle T. Segment TB is blue and yellow. So the letters that are blue and yellow on the other side are U and S. So segment TB is congruent to segment US. Angle RTB is green, blue, and yellow. RTB. We begin with R, then it's T, lastly it's B. Empezamos con R, después T, y la última es B. So on the other side, we start with green, then blue, then yellow. Entonces en el otro lado, empezamos con verde, luego azul, y la última amarilla. So angle RTB is congruent to angle KUS. Number 2, the triangle pairs below are congruent. Complete each of the congruent sentences. Angle A has 1 tick mark. Angle Y has 1 tick mark. These are congruent. Angle B has 2 tick marks, and angle B in the other image has 2 tick marks. Angle R has 3 tick marks, and so does angle S. Angle RAB is blue, then yellow, then green. In the other image, the first blue is S, the yellow is Y, and the green is B. So angle RAB is congruent to angle SYB. Segment SB. S is blue and B is green. In the other image, R is blue and B is green. So segment SB is congruent to segment RB. Triangle YBS is yellow, B is green, and S is blue. In the other triangle, A is yellow, B is green, and S and blue is R. So triangle YBS is congruent to triangle ABR. Number 3, I'm going to mark the angles. Angle W has 1 tick mark. Angle J has 1 tick mark. Angle Z has 2 tick marks. Angle P has 2 tick marks. Angle X has 3 tick marks, and angle M has 3 tick marks. Angle J is congruent to what other angle? Angle J is in yellow. The other image, W, is yellow. So angle J is congruent to angle W. Segment PM. P is green and M is blue. So in the other image, Z is green and X is blue. So segment PM is congruent to segment ZX. Triangle WZX. W is yellow, Z is green, and X is blue. In the other triangle, J is yellow, P is green, and M is blue. So triangle WZX is congruent to triangle JPM. Triangle SRT is congruent to triangle MJO. Draw the 2 triangles and mark all of the congruent pairs of sides and angles. So if I draw triangle SRT and I draw triangle MJO, the first letter on the left is congruent to the first letter on the right. So S and M are congruent. I can put 1 tick mark by the angle. The middle letters are congruent. So angle R and angle J are congruent. I can put 2 tick marks. The last letters are congruent, T and O. I can put 3 tick marks. These angles are congruent, but now we need the sides. SR is congruent to MJ. I put 1 tick mark. RT is congruent to JO. I can put 2 tick marks. Side ST and side MO are congruent, so I can put 3 tick marks. These sides are congruent.